Hey guys, welcome back to Fixin Frenzy. Today we are going to fix this broken knob. I don't know how they got this thing in here, for real. You know I like to break things, so that might be our solution. I bought a new knob thing, but it's like way tiny.
It looks embarrassing, guys. Do you know why? Because that other one is brown, and it's going to be match. It's so weird.
Let's see what we need to do. It's going to be hard for me to show you guys the back side of this, but I'm going to try. Oh, it is a screw. Okay, so we just need a Phillips screwdriver. That's going to be easy. I really thought I was going to have to break it.
Pliers?
I need a screwdriver. Can you find me one? Nice little helper. Eli, look. I got your nose. Screwdriver.
That was easy. Guys, if you didn't know what that sound was, it was my juice. Fruit punch.
Fruit punch you in the face. Open this a little bit. So what I'm doing is trying to grab from both sides. I think the screw needs to go lefty-loosey. Okay, now it's sticking out enough that I can unscrew. Yay! It's probably just gonna be an easy fix.
Mom.
And we're just gonna redo this. Oh, that thing was supposed to be on the outside. You know what I need, guys? A washer that's gonna cover up this size, but on the back. I'm gonna go look for one because I'm pretty sure I have one. So we have to go to the store because...
Yep, we do.
The reason why the previous one fell out was because the hole got bigger. We need a washer with the hole that's that small, but we need it to be bigger to cover the gap that has become of this door. We'll be back. Eli found the right washer that we needed. This is the kind of washer we need. A thin one, little hole. We're back. I'm not licking the washer. I'm licking my finger because I have a cupcake on it. We went and returned the other two tiny knobs because we didn't actually need it. We just needed this washer. This is going to go like this. And then it's going to go into the door. And then bidi bing, bidi bing, bing, boom, boom.
Look, guys.
Oh, nice. You smart, bruh. So what we're going to do is we're going to put this together like this. And then stick it in the hole. And now it's poking out from this side.
I can't pull it.
So all we're going to do now is stick this in there. And turny. At some point right now, we're going to have to use the screwdriver. And I'm just holding the screwdriver in.
Mama,
as
we're not going to put this one in.
Yeah, I didn't buy a new one, remember? I just returned the other one because I was like, oh, we don't need it. All we need is a washer. Yay! We did it! Yay! Awesome! Aww. So there's going to be a link below for that exact washer in case you have a similar... Ow! Oh, God. There's going to be a link below in case you need that same exact washer. Ow! So basically, if you have the same situation where the original smaller washer ate into the wood, I guess, and just created a bigger hole, all you need is a bigger washer that's going to cover more space.
Yay! Another spider!
Okay, bye guys. Thanks for watching.
Bye.
Oh my God, I had lip gloss on my teeth.
What? I didn't know.
This one's gonna be easy.
Smash that like button, hit that subscribe button. 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 Smash that like button, hit